The fillet chamfer command lets you put an arc between two line segments or a straight line based on an angle between two line segments or a distance. So the command is found on the CAD tab, and it's called Fillet Chamfer here in the middle under Edit. So when I select that, the first one is fillet. So fillet's going to let me put an arc. So you pick your tangent line segment. So I'm going to pick one segment here and one segment here. And then the radius here is what you want those to be. Now a zero radius is not going to put anything. And you can also put a trim. So if I was to set this maybe to 5 and tab, you'll see I get a preview of what that would look like. And if I'm happy with it, I can click apply. And you'll see what it does. It trims off the other lines and therefore adds in that arc. Now you'll see that it is a line segment, and it's a continuous line segment, and that's because originally this was a continuous line segment as well. If we break this line, let's say at this point, it'll still work and still apply. So I can come in here and do a fillet chamfer, and I can pick this segment and this segment. And if we put the value of 5 and I click apply, you'll see that it trims them and connects them, and now it's connected as a one single line. So you could do that as well, kind of either joining or using the fillet to join them together. Now you may also do the chamfer command. So with the chamfer command, same thing, you're going to pick your two tangent segments, and it's going to ask you for a mode. So you can either do two distances, a distance and an angle, or one distance. So if I do the one distance, and let's just say I set it to 2, you'll see that it chamfers it, and what it does is it comes back 2 feet in both directions. If I do a 2 distance, then I'm going to go ahead and enter in a value for one leg, and then another value, let's say I do 4 for the other leg. So the first is the first line, the second is the second line string or segment. So it's going down 2 feet here and over 4 feet there. If you do the distance and an angle, you can see here that I can apply a distance, and maybe I want it to be a 25 degree angle there. You can see that the first one is a distance, and then it's an angle from that first one for the next location or where the chamfer would be. And then when you're happy with the results, you click apply.